Howdy, folks. We're live at 622, battling for Mark's AFA. Dengar. There he is. I got 20 of them, 20 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. I'm going to take a bunch more there with me that time. There we There we got them. All right, look at me go. We got 20 spots. And I'm going to take over to random. I got them all, every single one of them. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. I did. I got a 6. Which is good stuff because we're ready to go. Good luck, all you Dengar lovers. Michael takes round 1. Josh 2. Troy takes round 3 with number 3. And number 4 with number 3. Josh takes round 5 with number 15. And our winner is Don Barber in at number 6 for round 6. Bit of a theme on this battle. Congratulations, Don. Here's the verification. JSKPSR. Don Barber in at number 6 is the Dengar champion for today. I'm done at 6:23. As you can see here, again, Don's a winner. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.